Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to CVS. These deals run for CVS for December the 29th until January the 4th, 2025. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying that. As always, these deals are all digital, so you're just using your phone to score on these deals. There is also a printable breakdown. You can find that printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write these deals down. You can either pull it up on your phone or print it off to take it in the store with you. So I wanted to make it as easy as possible. So in this video, we're going to head to CVS, which I like to call CVS, and our store had an electrical issue recently because of the storms. So that's why this video is a little late. So I was thinking about making for my kids' teachers a little goodie bag for Teacher Appreciation Week coming up. And one of those things I want to put on there would be some face masks. So I'm going to try to go ahead and stock up on these in the next coming month. So these are the Burt's Bees face masks. They're $3.19. What you're going to do is pick up two of them. It will be $6.38 for two. There is a $1.50 coupon on the CVS app when you buy two. And then you're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks after the end of the transaction, of course, that we can use for our next transaction. So it's $4 extra care bucks, and that $1.50 coupon is going to bring your total down to 88 cents or 44 cents per face mask. The Neutrogena makeup wipes are $6.99. You will pick up two of them. Your total will be $13.98. There is a $3 coupon. That $3 coupon is when you buy two. Some people have an additional coupon that is attaching. I do not have that. So I'm hearing people say that that additional coupon will work. Both of them will work if you have it. I don't have it, so I can't give you the math on it. So the $3 coupon, and then we're going to get back $7 in extra care bucks. So your total for both of them is going to be $3.98 or $1.99 per Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. I really do like this Degree deodorant if you've never used it. The Degree Advanced is the one that helps so you don't have like white marks on your clothes. So what we're going to do is pick up two of these. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So picking up two of them, your total is going to be $10.94. There's a $4 CVS coupon on the app when you buy two. In addition to that, you'll also get back $3 in extra care bucks. So with that $4 coupon and that $3 back in extra care bucks, your total will be $3.94 or $1.97 per can of deodorant. I've been looking for a good face product with a blackhead cleanser. I've tried a couple different things for my kiddos, and I saw St. Ives was on sale with an IBOTTA rebate, so I'm going to try it out. I remember St. Ives would be the #1 face cleanser back in the day. That's what I always had to have. So St. Ives is buy one, get one 50% off. So when you buy two, they're going to be $9.74. There is not a coupon on the app, but there is a $3 extra care that you're going to receive back for buying the two. That's going to leave you to pay $6.74. And then there is a $1 Ibotta rebate that you're going to get on each one. So you'll get back $2 from Ibotta. So with the buy one, get one 50% off, the extra care bucks, and the Ibotta, that's going to leave you to pay $4.74 for the both of them, or $2.37 each. My store was out of the OGX product, so I showed you this here on the app. They are $8.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to pick up two of them. When you pick up two of them, that's going to leave you a total of $13.50. We have a high value coupon on the CVS app. When you buy two, you'll get $6 off. That'll leave you to pay $7.50. There's also going to be 4 extra care bucks that you're going to get back. So with that buy one, get one 50% off, the $6 coupon, the $4 in extra care bucks, your total will be $3.50 or $1.75 each. My store was out of these, but I don't think this is something I would generally pick up. This is the Vital Protein. So they have two different ones that you're going to pick up for this. Now, it is on sale. It's usually $29.99 for one, but it's 20% off, and it'll be $23.99 for one. But what you got to do is pick up two of them. And the reason you're picking up two is because you need to get to the threshold of $30 to get back $10 in extra care bucks. So, picking up two of these, you're going to get it's going to be $47.98 for the both of those. We don't have any coupons on the CVS app, but we will get back $10 in extra care bucks. So that's going to leave you to pay $37.98. Now, when you get the both of them, you have to get one of them being the hair complex powder and one being the skin complex powder. Now you will get back $5 and extra $5 and Ibotta rebate. So you'll get a $5 back on Ibotta rebate, but you'll also get back from Shopkicks 7,200 kicks. So 7,200 kicks is equivalent to $28.80, which is a lot. So getting back $28.80 is going to leave you to pay $4.18 or $2.09. So remember, our total was at $47 and we're all the way down to $4. So again, you'll get two of them, one skin, one hair. Your total is $47.98. You'll get back $10 extra care bucks. You'll get back $5 from Ibotta and $28.80 from Shopkicks. Your total will be $4.18 or $2.09 each. So I wanted to point this out because there are a ton of Ibotta rebates right now on CVS brand items. And this is why I always say to make sure that even if you're not couponing in that general sense, you are scanning all your items. So even if I go grocery shopping and I'm just getting taco stuff, I'm scanning my items with my Ibotta rebate app because you just never know what rebates are going to attach. And all these CVS care items, brand items, have a rebate on them. So just make sure you're always scanning. Tons of rebates if you're just even buying the off brand stuff. Always, always, always scan using your Ibotta app just to be sure. So the total for all of these items in this video today were $102.52. And we paid just $21.22. That's 80% in savings, which always makes me happy to save any amount of money, but saving 80% on these items is a big deal. I hope you guys enjoyed saving money with me today in my video. I hope you all have a happy new year, and I'll see you next time on the Publix video.